What up, fam? Manly Brandon.
DJ.
And today we've got some more Halloween goodies. Iced pumpkin cupcakes, limited edition from Hostess. Now, I don't really like any of these cream-filled snacks, but he's got pumpkin spice, so the basic white girl in me is screaming. We're gonna try this out.
We're gonna have pumpkin everything. We're gonna have pumpkin cars too.
Pumpkin cars, indeed. And that's what this guy looks like. There you go.
Yeah.
That's what we got. All right. Cheers.
That one really tastes like a pumpkin pie with the cream and everything.
Yeah, I think it tastes kind of like a coffee cake more than a cupcake, but it's good. Very good.
This is what you bring to Thanksgiving.
Hell yeah. So I'm giving that an 8 out of 10. What do you think?
8.5.
8.5. All right, peace.